When adding fractions, it's not as easy as the other operations. So with fractions, you need to make the bottoms the same. So the first thing you need to do is find the lowest common multiple of the two numbers at the bottom. So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 7. Well, we can just quickly do the times tables. Let's just keep going for a little bit. Let's do a bit of the 7s. We've got one already. So 35 is the lowest common multiple. Now some people say, oh, can you not just multiply the two together and that will get the lowest common multiple? Yes, that will always get a common multiple, but sometimes you don't get the lowest common multiple. So if you think 4 and 8, yes, 32 is a common multiple, but actually the lowest common multiple of both of those numbers is 8. So it just makes it a bit easier sometimes if you don't always pick the common multiple by timesing them together. Okay, so we need to make both of these fractions so they're over 35. So 2 over 5 equals what over 35? So the first thing I need to do is just work out what I times 5 by to get to 35. Well, that's 7. And I'm just going to do it the same to the top. So 2 times 7 is 14. Next, we've got 2 over 7. So again, I need to work out what I do to the bottom to make it 35, because both of these need to be over 35. Times by 5. So I'm going to do the same to the top, times that by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And so instead of 2/5, I'm going to write 14 over 35, which is what I converted it into, plus, and instead of 2/7, I'm going to write 10 over 35. Now when the bottoms are the same, which they are here, then you just add the tops. So that's going to be 24 over 35. Now make sure you don't add the bottoms stay the same. So the answer is 24 over 35. Now if you can simplify this, which you can't on this one, but if you can, make sure you also simplify.